Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Silver and thank you for watching. Today this video is going to be me showing you how I revitalize my curls after second day hair. If you're interested in the new curly products that I've been using and you want to see how I revitalize my curls after the hair. So if I want everything to get coated, I need to really use a lot. So I'm just working this through everything. I'm actually gonna do like 2 more pumps for this side. And I know it sounds like a crazy amount of product. For someone who doesn't have as much hair, obviously you don't need as much product. But just whatever the amount is, you need to be able to like get it touching every strand. Once I feel like it's through everything, I kinda scrunch it with my fingers, kinda tousle it like this, and just make sure that it's laying right and everything is coated and it's untangled. Now I do get quite a bit of hair that comes out when I'm running my fingers through my hair. Totally normal, definitely okay. The average healthy person loses about 100 pieces of hair a day, whether that's brushing, combing with your fingers. If you put your hair up in a ponytail, take it down, you're gonna lose some hair. So if you think that more than 100 strands are coming out of your hair each day, then I would definitely consult a doctor about that. It might be something else, but losing 100 pieces of hair a day is very common and normal. Now I'm gonna take down these sections up here and spray them with water as well and do the same thing. So So I recently got a haircut and I really love it. I got a lot of layers added because my hair was so heavy that it wasn't like bouncing up. And I got shorter pieces around my face and I'm really excited for them because once I like pull parts back, I'm gonna be able to have little curls that are in the front, and I'm really excited about that. My hair was just not laying right. So I like to kind of stop and like gather all the hair on my hands that I've collected, toss that in the trash can. I don't always part my hair in the middle. Sometimes I part it off to the side to get more volume, but for the sake of showing you like sections that I'm going by, I parted it in the middle today. Okay, so this section seems like it's pretty damp and combed through. And I'm gonna take 3 more pumps of my leave-in conditioner and I'm just gonna run that through everything. Hi, Banksy, you don't need to cry. No. Oh, you got a toy, that's nice. Yeah, good job. Okay, now we're gonna take this last section. What's nice about these products is that they're water soluble. So when I did my hair yesterday, I put these same products in, but then after, you know, wearing it all day, my hair dried, I slept on it. Those products are kind of revitalized when you add water. So instead of completely washing my hair again every day, if I add water and add the same products again, I can just get that same look from the first day that I washed it. Now if you have really thin hair and you have to wash it every day because the products kind of weigh it down or it gets greasy, totally understand. Everyone's hair is so different, so everyone kind of can style it and go about washing it or not washing it differently. I'm going to go back in with my leave-in conditioner. So this leave-in conditioner is just going to add some moisture to my hair. Curly hair is definitely more dry, and my hair in general is very dry, not to mention curly as well. So this leave-in conditioner is going to add moisture. It's going to add shine, and it's going to keep my hair from getting frizzy and separating. It's going to define the curls without adding a hold. And that's what we're going to go in with next. We're going to go in with a gel to like hold these curls. Because right now they look good, they're shiny, they're together. Now my hair dries like pretty quickly when I do this because I'm not getting it soaked. So I'm just kind of adding water to anywhere where it feels a little dry still. Because when we go in with our gel, we definitely want it to be wet. I don't like putting gel on dry hair ever. This next product is a curl defining gel, and it is very liquidy for a gel, not as thick as most. It's made with 100% virgin coconut oil, so it's going to be moisturizing and give you a hold at the same time. So this is quite a bit. This is only about half of what I'm going to use. And what I'm going to do is run my fingers through my hair with this. And like I said, I'm going to do this half, and then I'm going to do another big glob and try to get everything that I didn't get. So I'm running my fingers through the curls, and then I'm also like scrunching. And I'm going to So this gel is going to define the curls. It's going to add a hold. And once I diffuse it after this, those curls will not get frizzy and they'll be a little more defined and hopefully bounce up. The biggest thing with having curly, thick hair is trying to get it not weighed down. So I'm trying to get it bouncing up as if it's light and it's bouncy. Sometimes my hair is so heavy that it weighs down, and it weighs down the curls so they don't look as curly. And it doesn't look like I have as much volume because it's so heavy and it lays flat. With a cotton t-shirt, I am going to scrunch and just try to get any extra moisture out before we diffuse. So with the diffuser, I'm going to try to go by sections, but the first thing I'm going to do is try to dry my roots. So I'm not going to put the hair inside the diffuser yet. I'm just going to go like this and just get my roots dry so that it kind of adds some volume before I dry the ends. And I like to do this on low heat. Sick of playing and I'm ready to play out. Ready to stay out. Yeah, you know I'm ready to go. There's just one thing I gotta know. How it be all in your face. You still scared that the light you chase. You think you got the bad bitch on your side, but baby, was it down the right? You had the bad bitch on your side. So my hair is almost completely dry. There's still a little bit of dampness in there. This is where I like to stop diffusing, because if I were to keep going, my hair would get drier and drier and just start to like frizz up. So this is a good point to stop, and you can't really tell on camera, maybe you can. My hair does feel a little crunchy. It's not bad, but that is good because we've created a gel cast. So back with the t-shirt, I'm going to like lightly scrunch out that gel so that it doesn't feel so stiff and my curls are a little softer. So I wanted to show you two more products that I've been loving by Alaffia. I don't always use all of the products together. Different occasions I use different things, but this is something that I use regularly and I'm almost out of it and I just got it. It is called the Curl Reviving Tonic. If I just want something more of like a beachy wave, I will spray this on to kind of boost up my curls but not give it like a crazy hold. I usually use this when I'm air drying my hair. It's quick and easy to kind of spray some water, spray this, and then let it air dry and go. The fourth product I want to talk about is the Curl Hydrating Oil. So this is a pretty strong oil. If you use too much, it can definitely get kind of heavy and greasy. So I like to shake it, and then I use this at the end of my hair routine. So right now would be a good time where I just kind of like give it a few sprays. It smells so good. This is just gonna add some shine and help with the frizz as well. It smells really good and it's just a nice little like finishing touch on your hair. I mainly do it for the shine, but also if your hair's feeling dry, you can just spray this oil on, run your fingers through it. It's another product that I use when I'm going for more of like a beachy curl and I'm just letting it air dry. So this is the final result of my second day curls. I like to clip the front out of my face, and now that I have these shorter layers, I can leave a little bit hang. It's just honestly so big that it falls in my face and it's kind of overwhelming at times. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed this video and what you would like to see next. If you guys are interested in more hair videos, whether that's a routine or just me talking about the products that I use, I am totally into that. This was my first one and I hope you guys enjoyed it. I have been on a hair journey for the last 7 months trying to only wear my hair natural, and it's been interesting. I've never really worn my hair curly before, like every once in a while, but I've never gone through the steps to try to get my curls to look good. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see every time I upload, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.